Finally, Microsoft is releasing an upgrade for the Windows subsystem for Android. And this one, in my opinion, is the biggest upgrade that we have yet received. Hands down, this version includes numerous enhancements. So without further ado, let's get started. If you are a Windows insider running the most recent build of the Windows 11 either with the developer or beta channel, this build 2204 includes numerous enhancements. Starting with the first one, WSA now runs on Android 12.1, sometimes known as Android 12L. But you know what, there is even more than that. Next one is a serious improvement. Android apps now support the advanced networking feature in Windows 11, which means you may use them to connect other devices on the same network, such as your PC. You can connect speakers, smart cameras and many more devices. With this new update, Android apps are more integrated with your Windows, so you can see which Android apps are accessing your microphone, location, similarly what you would see with a native Windows app. Also, the notification from the Android is also improved and now better integrated with the Windows notifications. Also, the new Windows subsystem for Android includes a brand new Settings app that has been completely overhauled. Settings app now feature a group navigation to make it easier to discover the option that you are looking for, as well as there is a new diagnostic data viewer to see what data Windows subsystem for Android has collected. Microsoft is also disabling the optional diagnostic data by default. If you have tried using camera on your WSA, well, it's got a lot of problems previously. Now Microsoft has fixed the problems with the camera, and now this time camera orientation should reflect the natural orientation of your hardware. Also, the issues with the camera previews, camera fit distortion has been resolved. Talking about the input devices, now they should perform better with the increased support for scroll wheels. Previously we got lots of scrolling glitches in the WSA. Looks like now they are fixed. Also, other noteworthy addition to the changelog includes support for the video hardware decoding with VP8 and VP9 formats. Also, the built-in web view being upgraded to Chromium 100 and more. Despite all of those improvements, Microsoft did warn about several concerns with this version of Windows subsystem for Android, including camera app instability on ARM devices, printing, and few more. According to the Microsoft, some of these issues are resulted due to the switch to Android 12.1. Hopefully you should be able to get the update from the Microsoft Store if you are running Windows 11 build 22621 or higher. To get the latest version of the WSA, just head over to your Microsoft Store and here search for Windows subsystem for Android. If you have checked our previous video, well, to install WSA it's pretty simple. Actually, you need to install the Amazon App Store, and once you install it, alongside with the Amazon App Store, you'll automatically get WSA installed in your Windows 11. If you are getting any problem regarding the installation process, do check out the video given right over here in the I button, also in the description below. Once your Amazon App Store is successfully installed, you can open up your Amazon App Store and it will automatically launch WSA. So what do you think about this latest update? Do let me know in the comments down below. Make sure to hit that like, share this video, subscribe to our channel, and make sure to hit that 100k goal as soon as possible, guys. We are pretty close. And this is Kedar from How To Guys signing out.